Hey, what's up? Originally I wasn't going to do this update, but because it's raining out and it's awful, and I'm super excited because this is a really cool update, we're going to do it anyway. Alright. I printed off the ring gear that's going to be around the turret, as well as the new plate. Those will go together. On the top of that, there will be the base of the turret. It'll stick in, and then it has a drive mechanism using one of these tiny Chinese gearbox motors, as well as a printed gear, spur gear, and it'll all go together pretty nicely. So this one's going to be a real quick one today. Gonna take glue, put some around the back. I think this might be all dried up. Figure out like this. Okay, nope, it's not dried up. That tool right there was my prop changer for airplanes. On the keychain, it's really nice. Okay. Glue there. Underside is ready to be mated to it. Go ahead and squeeze them together. Gonna spin so that I get nice even coating of glue. Press it down. And what do I have for weight? Myself. Okay, so we'll let that dry. Then we'll get this ready. Basically, the motor just fits right in. No problems. No questions. I don't know if I'll even glue this one because it fits so well. Same with the gear. Just slides right in. And it's got virtually no play, but enough so that it's not in contact with the housings and it won't let this wobble back and forth too much. So for this installation, what we're going to do is actually get some heat going and press these two together using heat. That way it sinks in and is more of a not permanent but semi-permanent bond, because you'll still be able to rip it out and then you can glue it back together if you so desire. So we'll give it some heat, getting that nice blue flame. Alright, test it out. Is it ready to go? Oh heck yeah, it's ready. Probably a little too hot. So we'll let that cool down while I get this situated. Okay, so the D is going to go that way. This is right here. And I'm going to go wobble, wobble, wobble until it lines up. So, looks like I did wait too long, and now it doesn't want to go in. So that means more heat, although this time I think I'll get the gear lined up correctly first before sending it down. Oh yeah. And that's right where she wants to be. So, pop that up. Oh gosh, I moved it. Apply some more heat. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, okay. And in she goes. Oh yeah. and that just presses right down. Done. Okay, so it didn't take too much force, took a little bit of force, but it's cool. If I want to eliminate all the wobble, I'll glue it down. Maybe epoxy, that'll be cooler. What I can do while I'm still waiting for this, oh gosh, it's not adhering very well, is it? I think model cement was not the best adhesive for this. Super glue? Sounds like a good idea. In the meantime, I can try powering this up because I love turning things on and making them move. Give it a nice low voltage. Boom. I don't know how well you can see that. That should be good though. There's one. And there's the other. Beautiful. What I love about these is that you can bring down the voltage a lot and it'll still turn because it's got such a high reduction gearbox, which means it's perfect for something that's going to go like slow movements like the turret and off. Gosh, it's like it hasn't even done anything. Okay, so I'm going to wipe that up. Okay. Wiped up all the model cement, and I think super glue is going to be my next best friend. Ugh. I think that's ready. So, I want just a tiny bead around the edge this time, I think. Oh gosh. This is really hard with a thumb that lacks all the movement. Okay. Let's send that down. Apply pressure. Maybe a bead around the outside in places. Being careful not to get any on my hands, because I don't know if you've done that before, but I've done that way too many times. Sticky fingers. Oh, and already that is a lot better. I think I just got some on my fingers. Okay. So here's that. Beautiful. You can roll the whole assembly out a little bit. Put this on the top. Man, it's almost looking like a tank. Beautiful. This will go right on top like that. Wonderful. And now, for the moment of truth. Is this really as good as I think it is? Or, not as I think it is, but as I want it to be. What? I guess it would have been a lot easier if I soldered on some leads, but okay, let's try it. Okay. Well, there it is. That's pretty easy. I'll flip those around to get it going the other way. Of course, this would all be done by a motor controller. Gorgeous. Then you've got the cannon, and it's just like blowing stuff up. Oh yeah. This is going to be very good. What comes next is I've got parts designed and printed for the bearings here that keep the turret supported, as well as the carriage for the cannon. And I think like a little bit of the suspension is ready, but I'm having trouble getting that all to fit together. So we'll see with the next update whether I've got the turret on with the cannon and everything wired up or not. But I hope it will be. So thanks for tuning in. This has been Joe from Lombardi Engineering, and I hope you like what I'm doing, because someday you can probably do it too. Deuces.